Everyone, good morning and welcome to form filling video of ECIC recruitment 2022. So for the post of UDC MTS Steno, I will show you that how you can fill the form properly. Okay, the vacancies are 3000 plus vacancies total and form last date is 15th of February. So let's quickly check what are documents are required for you. So first SSC 12th or diploma bachelor mark sheet, then Aadhaar card, birth certificate, caste certificate for OBC, EWS, SST candidate, then photo which should be recent, sign and in that signature will be should be in black ink on white paper. Okay, same left thumb impression and declaration with black ink only on white paper. So this is the declaration format, so just note down it, and this thing you need to write in your own handwriting, okay, on white paper with the help of black ink pen. Now when you will click on the link which I am giving in the description box, this website will get open. Okay, so just click here on for new registration. Write your first name, also confirm it, then middle name, also confirm it, and last name, also confirm it. Okay, and just check here the full name. This name you will write as per your 10th mark sheet, which is most important thing. Okay, so just check all the spelling of your first name, middle name, and last name. Then enter your mobile number, confirm it. If you have any alternate mobile number, then please enter here and then enter your email ID. Select domain from here, that is gmail.com. Okay, again confirm this email ID here like this, and then enter security code. Just verify all the information again carefully and then click on save and next. Okay, the next step will be your uploading of photograph and signature. Just click on choose file. Okay, so like this you will see your photo and signature, then click on next button. Now here you need to select for which post you need to apply, stenographer, upper division class, or MTS. So according to your qualification you can just apply to the post. For upper division clerk any graduate can apply, for MTS 10 plus, and for stenographer 12 pass can apply. Okay, so I will select upper division clerk. Then select region, from which region you want to apply. So suppose I am selecting Maharashtra region. Then category, what is your category? If you select SC ST, then definitely you need to take your caste certificate. Okay, and your if you select OBC, then non-criminal certificate is compulsory. Okay, I am selecting reserve category here. Then if you are PWD candidates, then just click on yes button. Here this field get open. Okay, then you have to select your disability category, and here you have to just verify it. Okay, like this. If you are not PWD candidates, then click on simply no button. No need to fill this information. Then all this information should be filled by PWD candidates only. Okay, then the region for which you belong, so just select your religion. Then your religious minority, if you are coming minority, then select yes, otherwise no. Okay, are you ESIC servant? If you are servant, then yes, otherwise no. Then ESIC relaxation in fee. Okay, so you are not employee, so definitely you will not get any relaxation. Are you ex-serviceman? So if you are serviceman, then you have to fill this information, otherwise no need to select. Then any other category for relaxation age, so no. Nationality Indian. Okay, now state UT to which exam center of pre-exam. So these are the exam center list of pre-exam. Okay, so you can just select your exam center carefully for pre-exam like this. Then here these are the list of exam centers for pre-exam. So all over India you will get enough exam centers, so no need to worry, right? Now mains exam also same thing, you have to select for mains, and for mains you can see lots of exam centers are there. Now select date of birth properly. Okay, here automatically you will get your age. Gender, just select this carefully, male, female, transgender. Then do you have twin brother or sister? So if you have any, then click on yes button and you need to fill this much information, that is what is the gender of that and name. Okay, otherwise you can simply select no. Then here you need to enter father's name and mother's name. Then enter your complete address in the correspondence, and if this address is same as your permanent, then just click on this tick. Okay, so all this information will get copied here. Now if you are from general, then 500 rupees is the fee. For all the categories fees are 250 rupees. Okay, if you want refund of fees, same channel, just click yes or no. Definitely for this SCST it is applicable only for SCST candidates for reimbursement, right? Then you have to select, just click on yes button and just enter your account number and IFSC and everything. So you will get your reimbursement. Click on save and next. Now we will enter our qualifications. For 10th you can enter like this. Okay, then if you are completed HSC or diploma, just click on other button. Okay, those who are diploma candidates, if you complete your 12th, then just select this only. What you can do, just click other button and just enter here HSC like this. Okay, for graduation just select this field. If you are engineer, then select other. Okay, if you are from arts science, then definitely you can select like this. For other any degree, you can just enter here and just type what degree you have, what graduation you have, right? Then just select your date of passing here, percentage and grade. If you are postgraduate, then just you can fill the information, it is not mandatory. Okay, if you have any working knowledge of MS Word and MS Excel like that, just you can select yes. I will recommend you all to select yes only, right? Medium of computer skill test. So in which language you want to give computer skill test, English or Hindi? So just select whatever language you like. Okay, I will select here English. If you are working anywhere or previously, then just fill the information. Okay, if you are not, then no need to worry. Language known, just select which language you know. Okay, read, you can write and you can speak. You can enter also secondary language here like this. Okay, third language also you can enter, but it is not again compulsory. So just click on save and next button. Now you will get the preview of your form. Okay, so just confirm each and everything here. First confirm your photo, then just verify all the details that is to upload your left thumb impression and handwritten declaration. Okay, so after entering security code, just click on save and next button, and the last step is to make your payment. Okay, payment you can make through UPI, your internet banking, credit card, debit card, anything you can use for payment. Okay, now if you have any query, any doubt, just comment down below before filling the form, and you can fill the form. I will give you the link in the description in the comment section. Also join our Telegram group of ESIC, which have now 3,800 plus subscribers. Okay, all the best.